Meet TORA-ONE, the most advanced humanoid robot built to work like a human. Introducing TORA-ONE, the cutting-edge humanoid from PaXini, designed to take on real-world tasks with precision, efficiency and just the right amount of sci-fi flair. Adjustable in height from 1.46 to 1.86 meters, TORA-ONE fits the environment it works in, with 47 degrees of freedom, 21 in the body and 26 in advanced four-fingered hands. It's built for complex, delicate operations. It features nearly 2,000 tactile sensors and over 7,800 tactile channels, allowing it to detect pressure, softness, friction and temperature, making it one of the most sensitive robots in its class. Combined with multiple HD and depth cameras plus Lidar-based SLAM navigation, it maps surroundings in full 3D 60 and navigates autonomously. TORA-ONE can lift up to 6 kilograms per arm and position objects within 0.05 millimeters accuracy, ideal for precision tasks. And with up to 8 hours of operation on a single charge, it's built for all-day work without the need for coffee breaks. From warehousing and healthcare to construction and assembly, TORA-ONE is a powerful addition to any modern workforce, designed to support humans, not replace them. Whether you need strength, dexterity or intelligence autonomy, TORA-ONE delivers. The future of humanoid robots is here and it's ready to work. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm Robophil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.